Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'm here again with my good friend Suryu Gupta. And Suryu created something awesome, a brand new application that allows you to create viral videos. Now, the cool thing is, I haven't looked into it that much yet. I've seen some viral videos and I was like, wow, you can create that with the software. So for me, it's also a first experience. But first of all, Suryu, thanks for being here.
Thank you so much, Tim. It's a pleasure as usual.
And tell us a little bit more. What is the software? What's the name of the software, and what does it do?
Absolutely. So this product, it's called Freezur, and we called it Freezur because it makes people kind of freeze on the tracks and just watch the videos that it creates. So it's for creating viral videos, and it creates a very specific type of viral video. So, this is actually coming from TikTok, and it started on Reddit. So it's a very interesting story. Right now, if you go to TikTok, the most dominant form of viral video format there is a specific kind of story video. So what happens in those viral videos is there's going to be a nice little action going on in the background, either gameplay or relaxing videos like recipes or art, something like that, while there is live caption going on and you can hear a story. So this is a storytelling format
Okay.
that started from Reddit. People started, some smart man, they started creating videos based on Reddit communities like AITH. If you've heard about it, I am the, AITAH actually, I am the beep, so people started sharing the stories, and some smart person realized that these stories were a gold mine. They're so addictive and so, amazingly, attention attracting. They created videos with the narration of these stories, and it just exploded. So right now
Okay.
on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, you can find a pile of channels creating these Reddit style storyline videos, and they are the dominant niche right now with millions of views. It's crazy how many
Oh
views
wow.
these stories are getting.
Mm.
So what when I when I was programming, sometimes I just take a break from my work and try to scroll the phone, and I found myself getting stuck on them all the time. So I was just on the phone, and then this story pops up and I find myself watching it for 10 minutes, 20
So you
minutes, 30
stop you
minutes.
stop scrolling as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And that's what gave me the idea that I
Mhm.
should create a software that lets me create this kind of stories, because obviously they're addictive and obviously people are watching them. They've got millions of views. So I thought that there should be a tool that can do this with AI without you having to do all the manual work. Things like writing the story, rewriting it if you need to, then
Mm.
creating the visuals, doing the voiceover, then editing all together and creating the captions and then putting it together. It takes hours if you do it manually. Most of the people who've been doing this in the past, they've been using software like CapCut, and it takes hours, so, and
Okay.
requires editing and lots of other skills.
So
So with
so
AI you
basically,
can produce this end to
yeah,
end.
what your product is doing is the whole process from start till finish. Like it does everything. Also come up with the
Absolutely.
script. And let's say, because
Yes.
I think most people have a problem by getting the idea. Like what do I need to create? What kind of videos? What's the subject? Does the software
Yeah,
also
so
help you with that?
I try to do this end to end, and this is coming from experience. I created a video product some time ago, and people told me, "Hey, Cyril, it's great, but I don't know what to put in that little
Yeah.
empty box. I want to also generate the first idea too." So that's what we did here.
Oh
You
wow.
don't have to come in with anything. It will even generate the idea for you, and then you can keep regenerating till you like it, or you can modify it. So you
Nice.
don't have to come in with anything ready. You just come to the software and you get started. It does everything. It does the idea, it does the script, it does the voiceover, it lets you get the background videos, it does the music, it also lets it does the captions. So pretty much it's everything done for you, and you
Cool.
get a video that is customized to your needs, because at every step you can modify things and you can do exactly what you want, but that doesn't mean that you have to. That's what I've done in this product.
Nice. Sounds good. Well, show it to us. I'm excited to see
Absolutely.
what you
So I
got
have it
there.
on my screen. I have it on my screen. Let me know if you can see
Yeah,
this.
we can see your screen now.
Awesome. So this is what you see when you first log in. I think there is a little, this meeting is, okay, let me just get rid of this, these, I don't know how to hide this. So anyways, let's just let this be on the top. It's not bothering us. So
We
when you
don't
come
we
to
don't
this,
see it.
oh, you don't see this?
No, we don't see
Okay,
it.
it's
So
only this. Yeah, there's a little overlay on my screen over
Okay.
here. All right. So you get started by clicking on create, and you have two options. If you want to bring in your own script, I know some people would like to actually adapt Reddit scripts, or maybe adapt a blog or a book or a podcast, whatever they want to, they can put in their own script. But otherwise, you can just get started with this. And let me remind you, Tim, everything I create is multi AI. So it's not just, one AI doing all the work.
Mm.
You can actually choose the AI that you want to work with. So for example, if you want to use GPT or Claude or Gemini, you can choose it. Like for this example, I use Gemini. Then it's got categories. So all these storytelling videos can be
Okay,
in
nice.
genres like personal experience, fantasy fiction, science fiction, mystery, horror, humor, conspiracy theories. I know they're big. Relationship stories, education. If you want to make an educational video, you can actually do that.
Okay.
Random, absurdism or day in life, whatever you want, you can pick. I really love science fiction, so I can put in science fiction. By the way, hold on. If you want, you can also put in your custom topic. So if you want to put in your own topic, that's not a problem. All you need to do is click on custom and provide the topic. So let's say, well, I don't want to come up with an idea again, my brain won't work. I'll just go for science fiction, but you can choose any topic you want.
Okay.
So now the first thing it will do is generate the idea. It takes
that's
a few
awesome.
seconds.
So you just pick a niche and then it comes up with ideas.
Yes. So for example, a mundane existence shatters when a sentient toaster accidentally initiates a multiverse jump. So the idea can be pretty zany, because the videos need to be really, really appealing. Now, if you want to modify this, it's as easy as, modifying this. For example, let's say you don't want a toaster, you want a car. Perfect. You can have a car, and if you want to change something like utopia, instead of a dystopia, you want a utopia, up to you. You can change anything you want. If you cowboy robot, like it can come up with an idea that you can modify right away. Also, you can actually promote products. Now, I know our audience loves to do this. They might have clients, or they might have their own product that they want to promote. They can do it in this app, and they can promote absolutely any product or any service you want, even a web design service. Let's talk about a local business. Let's say you want to promote a local, plumbing house called We Fix It.
I'm curious to see what this is going to be at the end.
So basically what it will do is it will integrate your product inside the story. So something in the story will mention We Fix It.
Plumbers.
So,
nice.
Yeah, what happens is when you make a storyline, let's say, you even sell this to you create a video and you sell it to local business. You can tell them, hey, you know what? You've been posting very boring content on your channel and it's not creating the videos. It's not getting the views. How about you post something more exciting, a story, but it features you. So you actually get the benefit, but you don't have to post just boring content. So it will actually integrate this product.
Well, you can basically also use this for affiliate marketing. If you have MMO, make money online products, you can talk about the program. Like if you want to make money and you want to work from home, it's going to create a script like that, right?
Absolutely, Tim. And you can do this for affiliate marketing. You can sell videos created, with these topics. If you provide a service, you can do that. Or you can integrate those two. Then you can choose the length of the video that you want.
So I saw this here, like up to 5 minutes is the shortest one.
Yeah, up to 5 minutes is the shortest one.
So these stories are 5 minutes up to 45 minutes, and people are watching that.
Yeah, people are crazy. Like if on YouTube, you will find videos that are 1 hour long and people are stuck to those screens.
Wow.
So if you're going to build for YouTube, of course, I would recommend building stories that are 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and they're absolutely popular, Tim. It's insane.
So these are no shorts anymore. These are just long form videos now.
Yeah, they're long form videos. TikTok has a 5-minute video, and people are not satisfied if the video is less than 2 minutes, right? So when you have a storyline video, you got to have some substance. It's not like, some person doing some antic on the screen and a dance and then you feel good. No, you have to have a proper beginning, the middle, and the end, and then you actually feel good about the story. So these videos have to be longer. This product can do videos up to 45 minutes. Not many products can do that. So this is something, again, which is unique. Now, for this particular instance, I'm going to create a short video because rendering big videos takes longer. So I'm just going to try to save time for everyone. Now, you also can choose the ratio. So this is 9:16 is great for TikTok, great for Instagram. 16 by 9 is for YouTube, of course. And then if you want to post on Instagram in square format or Facebook, you can make square format videos too. And it's great for running ads if you want to. Then again, you can choose the AI that you want to write the story with. So we generated the idea with Gemini. We're going to write the story with Gemini or any other AI you want. Now, one thing you will notice, we have a little star rating for every AI. So you actually know what AI is doing a better job at producing stories like this.
That's cool.
So this is again, coming from feedback. People were asking me, Cyril, we've got 5 AIs. How do I know which is better? I have to experiment, and I just, it takes me time to figure out things. So I'm giving you some kind of visual cue about what AI is best.
Nice, I like that.
Proceed. Yeah, this is fun. Then you can, of course, choose the language, whatever language you want the story to be in, and you can give the voice over special instructions. Let's say, talk in an emotion-filled voice. So you can give the voice specific instructions. You can even ask it to do accents. You can ask it to speak in a certain manner, and it will do that. Nice. And you don't need to worry about, calibrating or anything like that. It just does it on its own. We have a good selection of voices. For example, let's listen to some of them.
Hi, I'm Alloy. I'm smooth, confident, and perfect for...
Hey there, I'm Ash. Chill, natural, and expressive.
This is Echo. Crisp, articulate, and clear.
Hey, I'm Onyx. Deep, powerful, and resonant.
Hi, I'm Nova. Energetic, lively.
So you can figure out what voice you make best and go for the one that you want. For example, let's go with Ash for this one.
And also... I also noticed you can do voiceover from 11 Labs as well, right?
Yeah. So if you want to bring in your own voice or a custom voice that you have created on 11 Labs, you can integrate your 11 Labs. So we won't be integrating our account. You just need to put in the API key, and all the voices that you have on your account will be showing up here. You can use the voice ID and you'll be able to create a video in your own voice or any voice you want.
Nice.
Writing the script takes a little while, and once it's done, it's right over here. Now, if you want to modify it, you can, or if you want to rewrite it, you can. If you want to write a new script from scratch, you can do that too. Maybe you didn't like it that much, you want to write this one with Grok, you can do that. So it's got all that customization. Now I'm gonna just open it in Notepad because I want to show you where it mentioned vFixit, right? So we are now looking at the video, looking at the script in Notepad because I was going to search for vFixit. That's what our brand was, right? Hold on, I'll just paste the script. This is the script, and vFixit. So you can see over here, I just stared the universal plumbing. Look, if it's about leaky taps, I actually just heard about vFixit plumbers. They come to your home and fix your taps. So it integrated that in the story, right? It's a part of the story. It's not even something that people will be distracted. It's been made a part of the story. Now, again, you want to change anything, you can just change whatever you want, copy it and paste it over back again in the app.
Yeah.
Let me open the app again, minimize this. So you can change whatever you want. If you want to modify character names, put in your details, absolutely possible. And like I showed you, you can rewrite it too. Once you're satisfied with the script, click on proceed. And now you get to choose how you want the captions to look. So for videos like this, we have found that captions that are in the middle of the screen, they're performing the best. So we give you that. And you can choose different styles like captions with word highlight, words appear in sentence, words with box highlight, and time captions. So you get a lot of different choices. I think this is a great format because the caption shows on the screen and specific words are colored. So, people can read the entire thing. It doesn't disappear too fast. So you can choose. You can also choose where you want the caption to appear. You can choose the font style. We've got a bunch of different font styles here. So let's say you want something like, maybe this one. And you can choose the font size. So very small to super size, and you can even do custom. You can choose the color too if you want to. So based on what you're looking for, I'm gonna choose a bright color because we want it to stand out. Then you can choose whether you want a border on the font and what color border you want, what the thickness of the border is. All these options are available to you, right? Once you're satisfied with the caption, click on proceed again. And this is the place you choose the background music. So you've got, again, a lot of different options. And you can also bring in your own track. So if you want to upload your music, you can. You can also search from Pixabay. So you can get free music from Pixabay and it will
Okay.
search it and download it for you. Otherwise, we have a library that you can check. For example, actually that track was good.
And you can also upload
like
your
this
own
one.
music.
Yep, you can.
Okay.
So from here, you can upload your
Okay.
own music,
Nice.
or you can use
Love
the
that.
one. I think this was pretty good. The back one. Where was it? Yeah. Echoes of back. I like it. How you
Okay.
do? So you just click on it. You can calibrate the volume. I think for a video like this, you shouldn't have more than 40%, maybe even lesser if you want to.
Hmm.
You can calibrate it. We got quite a few tracks. If you can see, we got like paging here. So you got like hundreds of tracks in here.
Is this royalty free music?
Yeah, this is all royalty-free music. You don't need to pay anything, and it's all something that you can use without any issues.
Okay.
That's why we have integration with Pixabay, so that you can put in more royalty-free music if you want to. So when you click on proceed, now this is where you can choose the background. So everything is all ready-made for you. And we've got 3 categories: gameplay, or satisfying and relaxing. So you've seen these different backgrounds. Satisfying and relaxing is also very popular. Gameplay is very popular. Or you can put in your own stuff also. If you want to upload something from your own, you can do that.
Okay.
For example, I'm going to take some gameplay videos. Now, how you want to do this is you want to, like, every video is about a couple of minutes, right? It's gameplay video. So if you got a video, let's say 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can just stack up things together. So let's say we want to start off with this nice car video. It on the side, you can see it stacking together. And
Okay, on the right side.
Yeah, so these videos, and then we will go to this, whatever this game is, Minecraft. Yeah. So all of these videos will play in sequence, right? So once one clip finishes, the next one will play while your narration is going on. So you can play with this. You can move them up or down.
Okay, cool.
Just like a regular editor. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. Let's say you want to do only these 2 videos, so they will play in a loop. So basically, this is all done for you. You just pick the clips that you want to pick, and it works.
Okay.
Now, here also we have a stock library of our own videos. So you can search for terms. Let's say for some reason you wanted to have a video that features Call of Duty. Is that a game?
Yeah, that's a game.
So it's searching pixels, and it can also search Pixabay. So depending on what I have now added this video from Pixabay, which is 18 minutes. So it will automatically pull the videos and show them as a part of this, as a part of the gameplay. Now you can also put in your own videos, of course. So if there are any specific videos, maybe you've downloaded something from Twitch, or maybe it's something you've recorded on your own, maybe your own custom background. So you can use that too. You can upload a new video and it will be added to your library so that you can keep using it anytime you want.
Okay.
Now, when you click on proceed after this, it's going to prep things up. So one of the videos we were setting up for download, it's downloading them one by one. So all of that work is being done. Now the entire rendering process is done for us live. So it's combining the downloaded videos in together. So this is a step-by-step process, Tim, and it can take a few minutes because there are a number of different steps, but it is all done in real time. By the way, you can move away. So it's in the video queue.
Okay, it's
you can
being done in the
screen,
background.
You can minimize it. You can come back, or you can go on and create another video and put that too in the queue while this is being generated.
Oh, nice.
So it's not like this makes you stop while it's being done. You can go on and do anything you want. So I'm
basically,
not do this because I want.
You can really create videos in matter of minutes, right? Like right now we're going through showing every feature, but it goes really quickly when you do this on your own.
And you can do multiple videos. So while this is being done, I will show you another feature that we have. It's called AI creation. So we were using just now some ready-made video clips for gameplay, right? Now you can also create your own custom clips using AI. So click on create new. And if you want to upload an image, you can. Otherwise, you can give it a prompt like a car is flying in the screen, on the screen, in the sky, or whatever. In the sky, it's a black
futuristic,
for example. Whatever you want. And you can choose the style that you want depending on the gameplay. Let's say you were doing Minecraft, then you may want cartoon style. So I'm going to do hyper realistic. It's always fun. And you can choose the image ratio. We wanted the 9:16, and then you can choose the AI that you want. Again, we have multiple options for you. Fluxional is very fast. We're going to use it. So now we have got the AI. Now it's the still image. Now you can animate it. So if you want to redo it for some reason, you can. If you're going to download it, you can. And if you are ready to animate it again, you can use the different AIs that we have, and you can choose how many minutes you want or how many seconds. Click on generate, and now it's going to create that clip, and you can then use
that
it
clip
in your future.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, in your future videos. So I'm coming back to the video queue. You can see it's already rendering the video.
So then it
And
will be
once
in your
it's
library when you create a video.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, it will show up in the videos section. And once the rendering is done, you'll be able to play it, download it, and use it. So again, I was
Nice.
able to work on my second clip. So you're going to spend 15 minutes creating the video. Maybe each of the videos will take 5 minutes to render, but it will be done seamlessly while you do your other stuff. So
Yeah,
you set
cool.
up your entire day's work. This is again something for the audience. I have found that people who upload 3 to 4 videos per channel have got the most amount of explosive growth. So this can actually create videos for cents. Cost of one video could be around 10 cents, 15 cents,
Oh, wow.
20 cents.
Oh, 5
and then
minutes.
you can upload. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, actually very, very affordable. So here is our video.
Okay.
And then you can play it like this. So you can see this one is like 18 cents. It's less than 20 cents.
Okay. That's
Here
cheap.
are the details about it. 6 minutes video it is actually. So the playback takes a little time. You can download it if you want to, because it's my computer thing.
Okay.
So I'm just going to download it to download section and then play it from there. This player in the desktop is a little bit slow. Okay, so it started.
Okay, so it started like any other Tuesday. My toaster, right?
I'm going to play it using the standard
Yeah.
Windows player. It's more fun that way.
Okay, so it started like any other Tuesday. My toaster, right? It was gaslighting me, just flashing error 404, crumb not found. Like, seriously? All I wanted was my avocado toast. My car, Gary, bless his circuit boards, was parked outside. He's always been a little extra. He self-drives, self-cleans, probably has opinions on my dating life. Today, Gary was buzzing, like really buzzing, more than usual. I walked out.
So here is what happens.
Nice.
I could have continued playing it, because
Yeah.
it was so.
You want to hear the story.
Fun, okay, Gary, and this, and you want to, you can't stop listening to the stories, and
Wow.
before you know it, 2 minutes are gone. And
Nice.
it's so easy to produce these videos. We did it in about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah,
8
and that
minutes.
was also because you explained a lot. I mean, you can just click, get the idea and produce it.
Absolutely. So this is super simple videos, and they are extremely popular. I'm going to show you, something. If you go on TikTok, for example, I think TikTok is the place where they have found the home. Like on TikTok, this is dominating. So if you look for Reddit stories on TikTok, now when you're not signed in TikTok, it will not give you the number of views. It will give you the number of likes. So I think easily you can multiply it by 5 times or 10 times.
Yeah.
I don't know what's the ratio of
Yeah.
likes to views. But look at this, 495,000 likes, not views. 2,000 likes, 2.1 million likes. So these videos, Reddit style videos, they are crazy, crazy popular.
Wow.
And they just get insane viewership. And it's so easy to produce them. You can go for a super niche. Like I can imagine somebody will start a video channel dedicated to a relationship between, married men and married women. Somebody will start a video channel on entrepreneurs, stories about entrepreneurs, talking about, entrepreneurship every day. They're posting 3 videos a day. Before they know it, they built a viewership, which is actually
that's a good thing.
Of seeing.
That's a good thing to have a niche channel, right? One subject so that people like it and will subscribe to your channels.
Yeah, and then you build up that viewership. People who want to hear stories about entrepreneurship, people who want to hear stories about, let's say, our Conan the Barbarian, or about spaceships. You can pick up that niche, super niche, and just create 5-6 videos. Maybe 3 videos a day. So that's about 15 videos a week, and spend less than 20 cents per video. So you would be spending just a handful of dollars. You can maybe even run 3-4 different channels, figure out which one will scale well, and before you know it, you have a very good way of monetizing. You can sell these videos, like you said, you can do affiliate marketing, you can grow the organic traffic and, monetize them by charging people, getting the revenue share program. So many different options. And if you've got your own channel, well, these videos just are loved, because I think it's the psychology behind this. Because if you think about it, it's just a story. And if you had a person telling the story, nobody would watch it. Like I could be reading out that to you and you would not watch it. But somehow this combination of live captions in the middle of the screen, the gameplay, which is engaging, lots of lights flashing things and engaging gameplay happening, plus the voiceover, and the music, it somehow just is a perfect combination. It causes people to want to watch this. Nice. So I think this is a very, very easy format to get on, and everybody should be creating these videos if they're not doing it.
Nice. Love it, Suryu. Is that everything that's in the app? Is there anything more you want to show?
Yeah, I think I explained the video queue to you. This is where the videos go while they're being generated. You can generate multiple videos. They'll be done sequentially. Then it will be available to you. Create clip. It's the AI creator. So by the way, let's see if the video is done. Animation is done. So I'm gonna download it. And yeah, this is the AI animation that we created, and you can prompt it the way you want, So if you want to create,
this was a super simple prompt. Yeah.
So you have a flying car, and you can use. So if you want to customize it, let's say for some reason you have got a special brand promotion, you can promote that brand. You can upload your brand, you can upload your image and animate it. So it will become a video. So that's the way to customize it to a very specific level. It does have everything to create the videos. We, like the gameplay videos, you can either use our library, or you can get videos from Pixels and Pixabay, or you can upload your own. So it's crazy how customizable this is, but exactly at the same time, how simple. So basically I did not put in any input. I just asked it to craft it, and it did everything on its own.
Nice. I can see you're all excited, Suryu. So that's a good thing.
Absolutely, Tim. I really love what I've done in here, because it can actually do everything on its own, and you get an end result. It's fun to watch. So I love this. I mean, I've loved watching these videos, and now I can produce them. It's more fun.
Awesome. So you're going to launch this software. Is there going to be a bundle deal this time as well, an all-inclusive?
Yep.
So
there's going to be an all-inclusive deal as usual during the launch period. After that, it's gone. So yeah, there's going to be an all-inclusive plus one-time pricing. So I don't have one-time pricing also after I finish the launch. So both these things are going to be launch exclusive only.
Yeah, so that's important. If you're watching right now, basically with all the products Suryu is producing, is during the launch, it is a one-time price. After the launch, also this one is going recurring, Suryu?
Absolutely. Just like every one of my products, right after the launch, you're going to be buying monthly or yearly subscription.
I've also seen in previous launches that you did something with resale rights in the bundle. Is that also the case with this product, or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I do have reseller rights. I want to remind your viewers, Tim, there is actually a way to get up to 210 licenses on this with a cost of less than $1 per license.
Wow.
And the recommended selling price we have, which I think is insanely easy to get, and we will be selling more expensive than that after the launch. It's $100 per license. So that's an upside of about $21,000. If you manage to sell all the licenses, you can get an upside of up to $21,000. But I think you will make the money back that you invested in the first couple of sales. So it's really a crazy offer, but only during the launch again.
Yeah, only during the launch you give away the resale rights, right?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. After that, they're gone too.
That's important to know if you're watching. If you want to have the resale rights, make sure you snatch it up during this launch to get a one-time price, to get that reseller license included. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Suryu, before we close this interview?
I think we covered it all. I had a great time showing this tool to you, Tim.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, of course, you know what to do. Please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of interviews with product creators like Suryu. I do a lot of product reviews myself as well. So make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. Suryu, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And looking forward to see you guys in my next video. Talk soon. Bye-bye.